Hey, what's going on? JD here, and I have a quick unboxing for you. Today, we are going to look at the CRKT Sketch, which is a knife designed by Lucas Burnley. This guy is new for 2020 in the CRKT line. So I'm just going to jump right into it. Pull this guy out. And there we have it. That is the Lucas Burnley Sketch. Now, this knife here is a K-tip blade. So you can see K-tip is probably actually a term borrowed more from the culinary world than anywhere else. A lot of people call this sort of a sheep's foot blade. I wouldn't quite say it is that, but it is definitely designed in a compact package and sort of dedicated to, fine-tuned skill. So, I mean, you've got a nice point here where you can do detail work. So if we take a look at this, you can see the blade itself. The blade length is 2.89 inches long. It is a plain edge and made of 8 CR14 MOV steel. It's got a nice satin finish. If we flip it over, you can see there it says Sketch Burnley Designs 2550. You'll notice some similarities if you are familiar with Lucas Burnley's other blades. You will notice that this looks very similar actually to the Squid, which I do have, and which is one of the first knives that I got that actually got me into the CRKT line of knives. The knives was gifted to me by a good friend, Tack Reviews, and I appreciate it because I really like that knife. So when this came out, I had to, sort of take a look. So the overall thickness is you're looking at 0.11 inches. Folded out, you are looking at a total of 6.69 inches. Again, the blade length itself is 2.89. Closed, it is 3.94 inches. It weighs in at about 3.7 ounces. The handle is made of 2 CR13, and it's a folding knife with a frame lock, and it's got the cutout design there. And you can see the frame lock. You can also see that, the nice accents there with sort of that sparklescent green over by the pivot points and at the end of the knife. But it is a nice little utilitarian knife. I do like it's got some good jimping up top, not too aggressive that you're going to rip your thumb to bits. This knife will do some nice work, and it's just a good EDC kind of knife. And, I've enjoyed carrying this for a little bit now. If you want to take a look in comparison, this is the Squid. You can see there are some similarities. Of course, the backs look very much the same. The difference is this has a nice little thumb screw and is a little bit of a smaller knife. Of course, the tip is different, but this was, again, like I said, a gifted knife, and, it's a very nice, easy knife to carry and very, very versatile. Enjoy it very, very much. So if we close this up, you can see again on the back, very, very similar in design. The clip, it is a tip up carry. The lanyard hole is quite small, but typically I don't use those. And if we flip it over, you can see again, very, very much very similar in kind of footprint. So, I mean, both of these, of course, Lucas Burnley designs. I think it's a nice update to the knife, and it's just a nice K-tip style blade in a compact package that lends itself to doing fine work. So again, if you are looking for a nice everyday carry knife, this is the CRKT Sketch. It is $39.99 US retail. available from CRKT. Please do check it out. Of course, this is one of our EDC videos that are coming to you from the channel. If you've enjoyed things, please do smash that like button and hit subscribe. We will have more videos coming forth with some different blades and some different stuff. And until next time, see ya.